Good afternoon, guys. So we have basically done the full decontamination process on this F-pace this morning. It does look good from here, but it's a different story when we get the lights on it. I'm just going to go around and show you just how bad and how lighting does affect the visual of a car from a distance. So yeah, I'll flip you around and then we'll go from there. So as you can see, without a spotlight as such, you can see marks, but nothing prepares you for when you do get a light on it that is designed to show these defects. This is all damage from £5 car washes, or 10 quid as you call them these days, and bad washing, harsh chemicals, you name it, every panel is like it. So that's a different colour light on the side there, and as you can see, it is just absolutely battered. No matter where you look, the car doesn't look black in person. Obviously the camera is picking up a different colour spectrum to our eyes, but yeah, it's in a sorry state. Looking at it, the interior, we have cleaned that side. Not to say cleaned, we've hoovered it. Logan is in the process of hoovering it out, but this is the interior. The leather has never been cleaned. And then a nice shiny leather steering wheel, which is not what you want. All the inside here is pretty minging. Makeup marks, which we're going to do our best to get off, but I don't think they will. Makeup is the worst thing you could ever use in a car. We've got some paint touch-ups that are pretty excessive. Sanding marks. We've got pretty much every sort of defect you could ever think of. As you can see, Logan is busy hoovering, pet hairs, you name it, it's all in there. A very dull PPF boot lip. So yeah, the customer is selling the car, so they don't want to go too far with it. We've suggested just a minor correction, which is going to really bring out the colour in this again, without going to the extent of a major correction where we're going to be chasing out every single scratch, swirl, you name it. It's going to be 85% there basically, and the colour difference is going to be massive. I will probably show you some 50/50s on like the bonnet, just so you can see the difference, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So as you can see, we have basically cut this side and then just gone over it with a refining polish. You can see the 50/50 difference. So this is after and this is before. If I get the light, this is after, this is before. You can see the difference even without the light. There's a clear, very, very clear line between the two. That just shows how different light and different variations of like defects cause discoloration to cars. So yeah, just showed you the 50/50. Well, what are we on? We are on Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday should be finished with everything start to finish. We're not coating it because the customer's selling it, so we're just going to put a high gloss wax on it, and then yeah, she should be finished. I will go through a whole after video or after walk around so you can see the difference. I mean, we've done the bonnet on this area, the whole bonnet. I think you can see it on the video, I'm not quite sure, but it is drastically different. You've just seen it on this side versus that side. Yeah, if you do need any machine polishing work, do give us a shout. I'm sure we can sort your car out regardless. We've had worse than this, we've had better. This is in the middle, and it's a big transformation. So yeah, get in touch and we'll see what we can do for you. Cheers. So this Jaguar F-pace, this is a door before, as you can see, swirl marks. Ignore the cutting that we've done up here. This is before, and this is a door that we've cut basically with a medium pad, medium polish technically, and you can see the drastic difference. I mean, that is enough to say how much of a difference this process actually makes. So, a quick update on the F-pace. We are probably, I'd say, quarter of the way around it now in terms of machine polishing. It's going well, a massive transformation. So this side we've not touched, but that is still completely as it was. Yeah, you can see it. I'm gonna flip you around now, 2 seconds. So yeah, that is still as it was all the way around. It just gets worse and worse no matter what kind of light you put on it. Every panel, every bit of plastic is just horrendous. We have got to here from the front, and you can see the difference is big, even without trying basically to show every defect. But the clarity has come back, as you can see. It's not perfect, and it never will be. The car has basically more defects than I would care to admit. But yes, it is looking far, far better. I mean, you look at the light here on this side, and then do the same on this side. It's not hard to see. It just shows having a 50/50 really does make a difference. So we have complete the Jaguar F-pace. It is looking much better. The gloss levels are really popping. The defects have been massively reduced. I would probably say by 85-90% overall. It's just night and day. I will take you in for some close-ups, but yeah, you can see just the sheer gloss levels have been drastically improved. I'll spin you around.